Hello, welcome back to our channel, Dr. Off-Road Machine. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, keep up to date with our channel. A lot more to come, a lot more mistakes, and a lot more off-road adventures.
3, 2, 1, hardwired.
Okay, hello to all my Storm fans out there. I thought I'd do a little bit of a quick unboxing of the Wanderer LED portable projector system that I just got from BCF. Package is fairly good, so let's get this box open. First things first, open the box. Fairly good packaging, nice bubble wrap. Little projector here. Apparently it's got a battery in it. I don't know how long it's lasted yet. I'll test it and see how we go. But so far this is the little projector. It's got a little screw hole in the bottom of it, so if you've got a camera stand or a mount or something like that, you can mount it up on the stand. It's got a HDMI plug in the back, USB port, 5 volt 2 amp charger plug, micro SD, DC in, AV headphones, plugs. Looks like it's real good quality. You got an adjuster on the side for focus, obviously, but so far I'm happy with the way it looks. And then we got another little box. We have a remote. A little tiny, simple remote. Nothing much about that. It seems pretty sturdy. Yeah, it seems solid, but we'll see how it goes when we go camping. You got a little VGA plug that obviously plugs into the AV in the back of the projector. Your DC power cord. Oh, sorry, AC DC power cord. Then you've got your DC car charger. Then you have yourself a little tripod flexi mount for it. Seems pretty sturdy. Might end up using it for other cameras yet. And then you have your soft foldable screen. Once we have this all set up, I'll give you guys a run through of what it can do. But at the moment, pretty standard unboxing. I might see if I can set it up on the wall over there and see what the quality's like, and let everyone out there know what the quality's like on a standard white brick wall. Okay, I was just reading the back of the box. Apparently it's great for playing movies, includes projector screen, USB, micro SD, AV, micro USB. For some reason it didn't have an instruction manual. Yes it did. Sorry, I dropped the instruction manual. So, yes, kit includes, it plays videos, 3GP, AVI, MKV, FLV, MP4s, all the standard ones, right up to 1080 high definition. So, well, these days it's standard definition, isn't it? So, yeah. Cameras, speakers, yes, so that's 3. Okay. Seems pretty standard, so if you have a inverter and a PlayStation, you can play PlayStation while you're camping. It has a little inbuilt battery in it that it would have to be put on charge. I'll tell you how long that lasts on the review. Okay people, I've got it set up, I'm just about to turn it on now. Apparently it's coming on. Obviously don't have it far enough. Away, but as you can see, the quality seems pretty good out at the moment. Let's turn the light back on. Hit English OK. So the colour depth is fairly good. I haven't got anything to play on it at the moment, sorry guys. I just got it out of the box. I should have organised that first. But keep tuned for up and coming videos. We'll be using it on our camping trip, and there'll be a little short review during the camping trip as well on how it does and how it performs. But so far all is good, good quality, nice colour depth, and I'm quite happy with it. If you've got a family, I would go out and get this, especially if you want to entertain them at night time or around the campfire or something like that. You can do that as well with the built-in battery. Now, it seems pretty good, straightforwards. We'll see how it goes and how long it lasts. I'll give you guys a review at a later date.
Hello, welcome back to our channel, Stop the Off-Road Machine. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, keep up to date with our channel. A lot more to come, a lot more mistakes, and a lot more off-road adventures.
3, 2, 1, hardwired.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another Epic Storm video. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button if you'd like to see us travel further and do more harder tracks. Head over to our store and purchase some merch.
Been trying to change your life. Been trying to say words don't come straight from my head to my mouth. It's such a shame that love and kindness was never me that was bringing you down.
Okay people, very impressed with the quality of the video, how loud the speaker is. I haven't been able to turn the sound up. I haven't got batteries for the remote, so hopefully it goes louder. If not, it's very perfect for a nice, quiet camping night. So I'm very impressed with the quality of this. I would go out and get one, just underneath the recommendations. Just like I did, I read the reviews, very good reviews, good for the families. If you're out there camping and want to spend a family night out in the middle of the bush, I would go get one of these. The Wanderer LED Mini Projector.
Thank you for everyone for watching another Epic Storm video. Keep tuned for more, hit the like and subscribe button and visit our online store and help us run this channel.
We could be legend. I have nothing to lose. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Wake up. I know what's real. Escape reality. Hardwired.